everyone. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing for the Wicked Advent Calendar for this year. I did the unboxing for last year's Wicked Advent Calendar and they've come out with a new one for this year. So this is what it looks like. I got mine from Amazon. I actually pre-ordered it back in June, I think. I think I paid about $35-ish for this one. I think that's about $10 more roughly than I paid for it last year. So I'm hoping we have $10 worth of value more for this one. And I do think there was a little bit of drama with last year's advent calendar. A lot of people getting scammed with dupes from other websites. So just so you know, I got this from Amazon, from the seller. I hope there's not any more scams this year, but be very careful, you guys. Don't buy it from anywhere but Amazon. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing for the advent calendar. All right, guys, I'm just so excited to open this. This is what the advent calendar looks like. It is actually so pretty. It looks very similar to last year. I do think they use the same setup, but that doesn't bother me. So let's go ahead and start opening these. So starting off, we have day one right here. Right, let's see what we got. We got a little fridge magnet. This one says, "I feel wicked." This is like one of those really thick ones, nice and glossy. This one's actually really pretty. I like this one a lot. I think that's so cool. Definitely going on my fridge. So there we go for day one. I feel like we're off to a really good start. Day two feels a little flat, so let's see what we got. We got another set of stickers. They definitely had this one in last year's calendar as well. It was different stickers, but you know, it was the same kind of little sticker sheet. So looks like we have Glinda, we have Elphaba, we've got the monkeys, we've got the bear, we've got Dr. Dilliman, we've got the lion, you know, all kinds of things like that. So that is day two. Day three, I think it's the same as last year. Let's go ahead and see. This one is another pencil. So we did get a pencil last year as well. This one, it is a pattern of Elphaba's hat and it looks like a key as well. So there is the pencil item. Like I said last year, I would have rather it been like a pen or something. Day four. It's another flat one. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is another similar item that we had last year. This one is the Tulip Fair, and it is basically like a little notebook. It's got a couple pages of lined paper in here, but it really only has it's only got 2 sheets of paper, but of course folded in half, that makes it 4 writing sheets of paper, but it's definitely really pretty though. I think I'll just use this for the prettiness of the cover and stuff, but it's not super functional as far as a little notebook goes, but it is kind of cute. Day five. Okay, let's see what is in this one. This is another kind of a flat pocket. This one says it is a window cling. I love that it said that because I would have just thought it was a decal or a vinyl sticker. I think I'm gonna actually put this on my car. This is kind of cute. It's just the little W with the Glinda butterflies, but it looks really cute. I'm totally about this one. Day six. If memory serves me right, I wonder if this is going to be the same type of item that we had last year. I think last year it was a little pin. Let's see if it's also the same. Yep, we have another little pin. This one is just Elphaba's little green hat. I definitely can see where they kind of rinsed and repeat with this calendar this year. Day seven. I don't know why it took me forever to find that one. All right, for this one, we have another coaster. We also had a coaster last year. We actually had 2 coasters, so I bet we're gonna have another coaster coming up, but this one is of Glinda. So this one is a little cork-backed little coaster. Day 8. This is another smaller one. Let's see what we have. It's kind of hard to see what's in here. So these are 3 little paper clips that are butterflies. They're little pink butterfly paper clips. I believe last year we got, I think it was a paper clip with a cap on it, and it was Elphaba's boot and her hat, I think. So we got 3 little paper clips. Like I said, some of these items are going to be less value than others. Day 9. I actually really like the pattern on this one too, on the little pocket. It's very cute. Ooh, what is this? Oh, Ooh, okay, you guys, I think this is another cool one. This one is called a heat sensitive sticker. So right now it kind of doesn't look like much. It just kind of looks like a big black blob. However, it says adhere to your mug. Image reveals when exposed to heat. Hand wash only after application. So I'm kind of interested to see what this is going to look like with the heat applied. So you guys are actually going to see this before I see it. So here is what it looks like with heat applied. I still don't know what it is yet, but I don't know, that's kind of neat. I feel like that's neat. It's still like a small, easy to produce item, but it's cool. So I like that. Day 10. Kind of feeling good about this one. This one's like, it's a bigger one, but it's kind of got a little bit of like some bulkiness to it. So let's see what this one is. All right. Ooh, there's a couple things in here. Okay, let's see. All right. So for this, we have, I think these are supposed to be similar to like the little gift tags. These are kind of like a little miniature card almost, like they open up like this and you can like, you know, write something in there. So we have Fiyero as the Scarecrow, we have the Lion, and we have the Tin Man. I think the artwork on these are actually really cool. Once again, I'll probably just kind of keep these as like a little like postcard kind of thing, but these are actually pretty cool. I love the artwork on here. So I like that you at least get 3 of them in that one. Day 11. Another one I'm feeling kind of good about. Let's see about this one. It's a little bit more, you know, a little bulk to it. This one is cool, you guys. Okay, I think this is cool. This one is a keychain and it is just the W, but it's like a really pretty like gold kind of color. See, this is the kind of stuff I like. This I think is really cool. Of course, like the stickers are like cutesy and stuff too, but I feel like something like this, even though yes, it's a probably really cheap and easy thing to produce, I still think it's like cooler than like a little pencil. So this one is definitely like a really cool item for me. Day 12. We have another flat one. Let's see what this one's gonna be. This one is, they say it's a laptop sticker, but of course I'm sure you could put it on anything. This one says, go on your free fly, and it is Elphaba and her flying monkeys. I really like this one too. I think it's neat because I kind of feel like with a lot of the Wicked like branding and stuff, we've seen a lot of the same images over and over because they like license all that stuff out and then these brands can use them with their products. So I'm glad that we're kind of seeing some fresh artwork because these are actually really pretty, and yeah, I like that one. I like that. That one's cool. I think I would have been like a little disappointed had I kept seeing like the same imagery over and over. Like we do have a couple items that are kind of repeats, but for the most part, we're seeing a lot of fresh new artwork. Day 13. This one is a bulky one. This one's like the thickest one, I think, out of all of them. So I'm really hoping we got something good here. Okay, we have another fridge magnet, but this one's so pretty too. This one is like one of those like little rounded like dome fridge magnets, and this one says she's so good. It's all kind of like in a golden kind of color here. She's so good. See, I will always take like a fridge magnet over like a little sheet of stickers. So I think that's a cute one. Although I do kind of wish it was pink though. Day 14. We have another skinny one, real scant one. Let's see what this one is. We have, oh, I know what that says. We have another magnetic bookmark. Last year we got one of, I think it was Glinda's like suitcases. This time we have Fiyero in his uniform and it is a magnetic bookmark. So we have Fiyero here, so that one's neat. I still think these are pretty cool, so I do like them. Day 15. All right, this one. Oh yeah. Okay, I think this is cool too. I like this. This is a lenticular like photo card of Elphaba. She's on the yellow brick road and there are like the Wicked forest kind of like surrounding her. We also got, I think last year the lenticular card was the Emerald City. I still think it's so cool. I like this. I think it's cool. Day 16. Okay, this one is a little bit of a chunky one. So let's see what we have here. Oh, I think I know. I think I can tell. Yes, we have a pack of sticky notes. They are just a mint green color and they say Wicked in the bottom corner. So I do like that you get like a good amount of sticky notes in here. I'd say that's a pretty functional pack of sticky notes. So that one is for day 16. And I actually still have my pad of sticky notes from last year's calendar too. I kind of just like collect them. Like I didn't want to like use them, but I like that you can use them if you wanted to. I don't know why certain things in my brain that shouldn't be precious are, but they just are. Day 17, another little one. I think we're gonna have another pin in this one. I think we're gonna have another pin just based on the size of the little pocket. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, I am. We have another pin. This one is just a little pink butterfly for Glinda. Day 18. I think we're gonna have another coaster in this one. It was the same size as the last one that had the coaster, so I think we're gonna have an Elphaba coaster. Let's see if I'm right. And I am. This one, I like this one. That one's neat. Okay, this one is Elphaba. Day 19. I really like this pocket because it matches the Tulip Fair one, so I really like that pocket. It's so cute. What do we have in this one? We have more of the little like cards or like gift tags. I guess you can call it a gift tag, but we have the Tulip Fair. I'm so glad we got that one because that one is like my favorite. Honestly, I think it's my favorite graphic in the entire thing with the exception of maybe like the little broom and the bear pattern. I love it so much. Dulcibert, that was her name, Dulcibert. So we have the Tulip Fair. We have the, oh, it says welcome to Shiz. And then the last one says, this one says, I think it's Kiyamako, and it says the perfect hideaway. My brain is glitching. I don't remember what Kiyamako is. I guess I'll watch a movie and find out. I've seen the stage play and I do not remember what that is. All right, so we have 3 more of those little gift taggy or baby greeting card, if you will. Day 20, another kind of thicker one. This one's a little crooked in my box here, unfortunately. Let's see, this one is, oh, we have another fridge magnet, just like the first one we got, but this one says, I couldn't be lovelier. And that one is purple with like little florals and butterflies for Glinda. I couldn't be lovelier. Love that one. Day 21. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay, I love this, you guys. I love this. This is a little Glinda and Elphaba friendship bracelet. How cute. And it's got the pink and the green. And it says Glinda. And it says Elphaba. Very Taylor Swift of them. I love it. Yes, I know Taylor Swift didn't invent friendship bracelets. Calm down. She just repopularized them. Calm down. Day 22.
Somehow I skipped this one, but these are 3 Elphaba paper clips.
Day 23. Oh, I've been waiting for this one because this is like another bulky one. So we have, oh, I know what these are. I know what these are. We have some more washi tapes. Ah! I love the washi tapes. I am like a planner sticker girly, so I love washi tape. And these, I like these more than I liked last year's. Last year's was cute, but these are so much cuter. So they're kind of like a skinny washi, maybe like a 12 millimeter. Don't hold me to that, I'm just guessing. But one of them is like florals around Elphaba's broomstick and her hat. That one's very pretty. And then we have a lighter one that is Glinda's wand. Oh my God, I am dying. I love these. I love these. These are so cute. These totally speak to me as a planner sticker girly. Day 24. We are almost done. We're at the penultimate one, 24. I'm so glad we have this because I was getting worried. I didn't think we were gonna get one of these at all. Last year we got 2 iron-on patches, I believe. This time I think we've only got 1, but this one says Oz and I love the patches. These are definitely something that, to me, they have a little bit more of a perceivable kind of value to them rather than like little sheet of stickers. So this one I think is really, really cute. I do think I like the patches in last year's more though, but I'm so glad we got one. And day 25. All right, finally the very last one, day 25. This one is a thicker one and I'm remembering what we got from the last one, so I'm hoping it's a good one because I remember the last one being a good one too. Let's see what we got. We have, yes we do, we have another one of the elastic bookmarks. So this one you actually like wrap around your book, and this one is the Shiz logo, and this one is a beautiful like navy blue, royal blue kind of color. So this one is definitely one of those items that I think has a little bit more of a higher perceived value. So that one is really cool and I love this. I kind of wish it was pink. I will say, I kind of wish it was a Glinda one, but I still love it. I think it's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a cost breakdown on screen here. The way I'm gonna break it down is I'm gonna take the price I paid for the set and I'm going to divide it over 25 days. So overall, that is gonna give you an average price per day of this amount right here. So now that you've seen everything, you can make an informed decision on whether you think that's worth the price. At the end of the day, is the price paid worth what you get? Not really. A lot of advent calendars are like that. If you're expecting some like crazy over the top kind of stuff, definitely keep your expectations managed. And obviously they gotta make money too. They're there to make money. All right guys, so that is it. We are gonna have some more Wicked content coming up, and I'm getting very excited for the movie as well, and for the new songs in the movie. That is really what I'm like totally waiting for. So that is everything that is in this year's advent calendar for Wicked. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.